Traditional banks are starting to lean into blockchain and digital assets, not as a side project, but as a core part of future strategies. Clearer regulations in the US and EU are helping banks move from wait and see to build and deploy strategy for digital assets and blockchain. Here's a report.
The global financial system is being reimagined in real time, and banks that act early will define the next decade of digital finance. Real use cases like tokenized assets and faster, smarter payment rails are gaining serious traction. Stablecoins are driving further adoption, and the race to avoid stablecoins and use tokenized deposits is becoming more center stage now. US exchange-traded funds, ETF, for Ether, posted record inflows and trading volumes as key crypto legislation endorsed by President Donald Trump advances. Trump's Crypto Week advanced on Thursday. Republican conservatives on Wednesday dropped a two-day blockade of industry-backed crypto bills. This paves the way for House votes on a series of measures backed by Trump. The banking sector is now at the center of this digital assets boom. The banking sector has evolved through the years due, in large part, to several technological advances. Telephone banking in the 1980s, internet banking and the e-commerce boom in the 1990s, mobile banking in the 2000s, the growth of machine learning and artificial intelligence over the past decade. Now, blockchain and digital assets are integrating with traditional finance. With regulatory progress, banks are slowly but surely moving into the digital asset space. This is due to the benefits of integrating blockchain technology into finance becoming impossible to ignore. Now, we are entering a new era of survival of the fittest. With growing institutional demand for digital asset services and tokenization of financial assets, the question on many minds is, will banks maintain their place at the top of the finance food chain? 90% of global finance leaders believe blockchain and digital assets will have a significant impact on finance. Over $100 billion has been poured into blockchain companies since 2020 across more than 10,000 deals. Since 2020, global banks have taken part in 345 investments in blockchain companies. 11% of US community banks reported plans to launch crypto asset services. Blockchain and digital assets are not hype anymore. The financial system is being reimagined in real time, and the banks that act early will define the next decade of digital finance. Business Bureau, WION World is one.